How's it going? There's the cold start video. Man's running on half a cylinder. Here's the cold start video of the 16 Duramax 2500 Z71. Start her up. There's the inside right here. There's the underside. Pretty clean. Super, super nice. Backside. It's under there. And there is under here. All right, here we go. Here's the front side too. Tires are pretty good. All right, let's do it. Let's start her up.
And a probiotic.
Pull it forward for you. Let's hear this sucker rev. Just started up, so I don't want to rev it up too high. It's pretty tough. Back seat looks really nice. For you. There's the 5-position switch right there. So a little dirty right here. We're going to get it cleaned up. There's the under the hood real quick. S&D cold air, deleted, tuned, lock off. Nice truck. Cab lights. Those turn white when the lights are on. When you put your turn signals on, they turn amber. Check it out. Pretty cool. Find my damn sticker. There it is. Nice truck. Killer truck. Duramax diesel, ain't nothing better. Duramax diesel long bed.